If you ride a line bus in Seattle, you can meet this unexpected furry passenger named Eclipse. The doggy rides the bus all by herself, has a bus pass attached to her collar, and gets off at her favourite park.
The dog gets off at the stop at the dog park and gets off the bus. And I just look out the window and I'm like, did that just happen?
It all started when the Black Labrador and Mastiff mix was at a bus stop with her owner Jeff Young. Her human was taking too long to finish his cigarette, so when the bus arrived, the canine just got on by herself and got off at the park. That's when the owner realised this smart girl can ride those 3 to 4 stops on the D line on her own. King County allows dogs on public transport at the discretion of a driver, and Eclipse makes people smile. Therefore, the drivers are always glad to give this 4-legged miss a lift. She makes everyone happy. How could you not love this face? This is Nikki Delgado for Noligrio.com.